Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to join a Discord server on mobile. To start, open and locate your Discord application in your mobile device or iOS device. Once you are already here over at Discord, the first step to do right now is to click on the three horizontal lines on the upper left. Now just tap on it. Once you're already here, click on the plus sign on the left side of the application. Once you click on the plus sign, there are options here to create your own or by starting from a template. In here, you already are making your very own Discord server. So all you have to do is tap in the preferences that you think would fit your very own server. Now this is one option, but if you click the button that says join a server, all you have to do is update or copy or paste the link that has been given to you by your friends. And then, once you have already updated or uploaded the link, that should be it. All you have to do right now is to click on the join server button and then you should be part of their server. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.